What if I told you that this tiny teaspoon could weigh more than every human on Earth combined? Sounds impossible, right? But if it were filled with material from a neutron star, it would weigh an unbelievable 6 billion tons. Let's break that down. Neutron stars are one of the weirdest, densest objects in the universe. They're born from supernova explosions, when massive stars, many times the size of our sun, run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity. What's left behind is incredibly small, only about 12 miles wide, but with more mass than our entire sun squeezed into that tiny ball. Here's the wild part. All that mass is compressed so tightly that atoms are crushed. Electrons and protons fuse into neutrons, packing matter together with almost no empty space. It's like cramming Mount Everest into a grain of sand. So just how heavy is a teaspoon of this stuff? If you somehow scooped up a single teaspoon of neutron star matter and brought it to Earth, it would weigh around 6 billion tons. That's about the weight of 1 billion elephants, or all the cars on Earth, multiplied many times over, or roughly the mass of a large mountain, all in a tiny spoonful. Trying to lift it? You couldn't. Trying to store it? It would crash straight through the planet. Trying to survive near it? Nope. The gravity alone would rip you apart. Neutron stars don't just sit there either. Some spin hundreds of times per second. These are called pulsars, and they emit beams of radiation that sweep across space like cosmic lighthouses. They're so extreme that a single sugar cube-sized chunk could outmass Mount Everest. It's humbling, isn't it? That out there, in the vast darkness, are objects so dense, so powerful, that they defy our understanding of physics. And it all leads back to this astonishing fact. A teaspoon of neutron star material weighs about 6 billion tons. Space is strange, space is wild, and we've only just scratched the surface. Subscribe for more cosmic mind benders, and leave a comment if your brain just melted a little.